In this video, I'm going to show you how to add songs to your Apple Music library. So go ahead to where your Apple Music app may be. Mine's just on my home screen here. And so what you want to do is to be able to find a song and add it to your library. So if you look at the very bottom of your screen, you'll see some options here saying Home, New, Radio, and Library. We're going to click on Library here. And this is your own personal library with all of your songs and all of your stuff here. But if you want to add a song, it's very easy. So go right next to Library where it says Search, and we're going to type in any artist name that you want. I'm just going to type in Green Day, for example, and hit Search. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up the artist and a lot of their songs. So if you want to add a song, it's very easy to do. Just go to the song and look to the far right where you see the three dots. Go ahead and click the three dots and simply choose to add to library. What that's going to do is add it to your library. You'll get confirmed, go to your library, and then you see it here. There is a song that we just added to your library. Hope you guys like the video. It's very simple, very easy to do, and we'll see you in the next one.